This is Rinty's plate. I just want to thank everyone, every single one, my subscriber, my viewer. Thank you all for journeying with me. And my new subscribers, thank you. I reached my 500 and probably 5, and that is very good. And I want to thank you. Today I'm going to brown stew some chicken leg. Yes. I already wash it with vinegar, lemon, and I put some salt in it. I wash it already, so I am just going to put some season to it. Over here is my green season. I have all type of 4 type of pepper, my scallion, my honey, and my thyme, my garlic, and this is a cayenne pepper and carrot. And over in that plate I have 7. When I say 7 seasoning, 7 include the salt. Okay, so I have this one here is Annatto. Okay, Annatto. You remember it if you come from Jamaica. Yes, and I have garlic powder. I have a chicken season. I have obey. I have black pepper. I have dash. And I have salt, 1 teaspoon of everything. Okay, so I'm just, and over here I have my browning, I have my barbecue sauce, and I have my ketchup. So I'm gonna combine everything here together and just throw it in my pot and put everything in my pot here, and I'm ready to go. Okay, you might think this seasoning is too much. It's not too much, a little bit for later. Okay, and all here is my ingredients. Let me put some browning. Yes, some browning. Ooh, yeah. Okay, and over here, okay, I didn't cut up my my garlic. Let me get my knife and cut my garlic a little than this. Okay, I just put in my garlic here, and I'm gonna put everything in the pot and rub it up. Yes, I did want some Irish potato. I didn't get it. This is cayenne pepper and everything here I mentioned already. Yes, you may say that I love these. Yes, without these seasoning the food can nice. So if you're cooking, you have to have these seasoning, right? All right, my hands clean, and I'm gonna rub up. Yeah. Oh, it smells good. It smells good already, I'm telling you. Wow. Okay, I think I'm gonna put some more browning in. Yeah. Okay, this smells so good. All right, I'm gonna put the rest of my season here, in here. Yeah. Okay. Right, they're gonna make it sit for a little time, and then looking good, right? All right, I put it to sit down for around 10-15 minutes, and I will be right back. Let me cover it. I'm back again. I'm gonna put some oil in the pot. Not much. You don't want enough oil in the pot. Although I take off the skin from the chicken, you have to just be careful sometimes. I am not gonna pick out no seasoning from the chicken. I'm just gonna put the chicken and everything in the pot. Make it brown down, okay? Ooh. Alright. I'm gonna put the cover on it. And I'm gonna make it stay there and stew the pan, catch color. And then I'll go right back to it. Stir again, okay? Alright, stay tuned. Wow, look at it. Wow, look at it. And I didn't put much water on it, you know. I will cover it spring. Okay. Smells good. Right. If I don't season water that left in the pot a little bit, I put some barbecue sauce and some ketchup, and I'm gonna put this in my pot to simmer down till it's tender and catch the color, everything. Okay, let me throw a little water. Okay. Alright. I'm gonna make this cook till it's tender. Seasoning is right in it. Everything right. So let it cook and catch the color. Okay. I just want it to cook down a little bit more. You know, some people put flour to thicken it. I'm not gonna put no flour. Just gonna make it cook down with gravy coming on, okay? See it? And I'm not gonna put no more browning on it neither. It's perfect coming on. Right? So just leave it, make it just simmer down. Okay. Wow, I'm telling you, my chicken looks so nice. Look at my chicken. And I'm done. Wow, it's looking very nice. So this is brown stew chicken with annatto. Yes, it might not look so brown because of the annatto, but it's looking nice. So this is it. You can have this chicken with any food you want. You can have it with ton caramel. You can have it with white rice, rice and bean, yam, dumpling, and everything. Okay, looking good, right? Just remember, thank you all. And remember to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Okay, thank you all for watching. See you next time. Bye.